Magandang araw! It's reading time once again with Teacher Lynn Ganda. This time, we're going to read words with short E sound. Short E says eh. Eh. Ulitin nyo nga. Eh. Magaling. Tara, ako ang unang magbabasa. Pagkatapos, uulitin natin. Sasabayan nyo ko. Let's go! Bed, beg, bell, bend. Ulitin natin. Bed, beg, bell, bend. Bet, deck, den, wet. Again. Bet, deck, den, wet. Yell, yen, feb, fell. Again. Yell, yen, feb, fell. Hell, hem, hen, keg. Again. Hell, hem, hen, keg. Can, lead, leg, less. Again. Can, lead, leg, less. Let, med, men, mess. Ulitin natin. Let, med, men, mess. Madali. Met, peck, peg, pen. Ulitin natin. Met, peck, peg, pen. Pet, red, sell, set. Again. Pet, red, sell, set. Ted, tell, ten, test. Again. Ted, tell, ten, test. Web, wed, well, wet. Again. Web, wed, well, wet. Did you have fun? I hope you did. Thank you for reading with me. Have a nice day. God bless.